Hey, it's Chris Maurer with Superline Trailers, and today I'd like to talk to you about the features and benefits of our channel frame equipment hauler with Beavertail. Starting with the front, we have our 2-bolt adjustable coupler. This adjusts easily to any vehicle configuration. We have a 7,000-pound jack, which contains a drop leg feature, so you don't have to crank this all the way up and all the way down. We also have our diamond plate tongue steps, makes it easy to access the deck. If you come around to the side, we have our standard spare tire mount. We also have stake pockets and D-rings to tie down your equipment. We come around to the back, we have our 2-foot self-cleaning Beavertail. We have our 5-foot quick release ramps that are equipped with stabilizer legs. This stabilizes your trailers when unloading and loading your equipment. My name is Chris Maurer, and if you have any questions about our channel frame equipment hauler with Beavertail or any other trailers, please visit camsuperline.com.